Platt. He's spraying the corn for Southern Rust, and they're using Travapro on it. So I'm going to put another video up. I'm sorry I'm bombarding everybody with videos, but this is what I'm going to have to do. I don't have anything to put videos up other than my phone, and I don't have anything to edit anything on here. I was watching Jeff Raymond's video this morning of crop dusters spraying. This is pretty neat. You can see this all the time. So I guess he's running around checking his perimeters. This is my neighbor's ground, but he invited us over to watch, so. Our farm is right over there with the silos. They asked us if it mattered if we got any overspray on our corn. We said no. It'll help ours, so the wind's coming out of the south, so it'll blow right over on our corn. They said it shouldn't hurt the beans either, so that's neat. Yeah, it's Travapro. They're putting on. They said they usually put on 2 to 3 gallons an acre, but the guy that owns this said put 3 to 4 because he doesn't want any of this stuff. He has the field already mapped out where he wants sprayed. There's a couple places. There's some fields across the road. This field is 220 acres. So he's gonna have to stop and fill up, I think. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I think he said he can hold. I forgot how many gallons he said he could hold, but he said the helicopter is 460 horsepower. But anyway, I'll put another video up whenever he gets started.